Friends, I'm going to tell you about how to find out square roots and cube roots. Square roots. There are different methods for finding out square roots. But if we can do, we should try to do them by glance. For example, no perfect square can ever end with 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zeros. Any perfect square that's ending with 5 must have 25 as the last two digits. And if you want to find out the perfect square, although there is a lengthy method, but if you can go by factorization, that becomes easy. You have to find out the factors in pairs and pick up one factors out of each pair. And then the product of these one factors picked up will be the final square root of that number. In case you are interested in finding out the cube roots of a number, then you have to make factors in a pair of 3 factors and pick up one factor out of those 3. Similarly, in case you have to go for actual division or actual perfect square finding methods, that becomes a lengthy. So why not to go by judgment methods? You have to find out the nearest perfect square. For example, if you want to find out square root of 820, you must know that it lies between 28 and 29, that's 784 and 841. Now, to whichever it is nearer to, if it is nearer to 784, you should go for 28.5, and if it is nearer to 841, you should go to 28.5 plus. Similarly, in case you want to find out the square roots of some fractions, try to make the denominator as a perfect square, as 5 by 8 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 makes it 10 by 16. So 16 is 4 and 10 can be found as 3.2. So 3.2 divided by 4 makes it 0.8. Similarly, there are different methods to find out square roots and cube roots. For that, you have to first remember perfect squares up to 30. If not 30, then 25 is a must. Because if you want to have a perfection on square roots, you must remember 25 square is 625 and below that all. Similarly, in case you want to find out the cubes, you must remember cubes up to 15. 15 cube is 3375. So, in case you want to find out a perfect square and want to have a perfection on the cube roots and cubes, you can go through my books, which are Mathematics Simplified by Jagan Saneja, Data Interpretation Simplified by Jagan Saneja, and Quantitative Aptitude Simplified by Jagan Saneja. All these books are available on all e-commerce centers like Amazon, Flipkart, Bookada, Infobim, and notionpress.com. Thank you and good luck.